Second problem, using the same identity, find the values of the following. We need to find out the values of the following. So first bit we are having 64 square. Okay, so let's start the solution. So let's write first bit 64 square. So this can be expanded as 60 plus 4 whole square. Okay, so this is in the form of a plus b whole square, which is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so here a is 60 plus 2, a is 60 and b is 4 plus b square, that is 4 square. So 6 square is 36 and 1 0 square is 2 zeros, plus 2 6 are 12, 12 4s are 48. Okay, 0 plus 4 square is 60. Now let us add this all. So if we add 480 and 16 to 3600, we will get, this is 6, 8 plus 1 is 9, 6 plus 4 is 10, 3 plus 1 is 4. So we got 4096. 4096. So this is the first bit. Now let us do second bit. So second bit is 105 whole square, which is equals to 100 plus 5 whole square. So this is in the form of a plus b. So let us write a plus b whole square, which is equals to a square plus b square. Otherwise you can write a square plus 2ab. Okay, both are same. So here a is 100 square plus b is 5 square plus 2ab, 2 into 100 into 5. So 100 square is 10,000 plus 5 square is 25 plus 2 5s are 10, 10 into 100 is 1000. Okay, now let us add this. So it will become 11,025. Now let us solve 205. So this is our third bit, 205 whole square, which can be written as 200 plus 5 whole square. So a plus b, again formula, a plus b whole square, which is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So here a is 200 square plus 2 into 200 into b is 5 plus b is 5 square. So 200, 2 square is 4, and for 2 zeros we will get 4 zeros plus 2 5s are 10, 10 into 200 is 2000 plus 5 square is 25. So it will become 42,025.